from Zamboanga City papuntang Pagadian City, then straight to Pan Philippine Highway, Maharlika Highway, going to papuntang Doublestone, Bolaton Road, straight down to Kapatagan, then Kapatagan to Maranding. So from that road, straight na po yan papuntang Mocas, Lanao del Norte, then going to Iligan City. From Zamboanga City, dadaan kami to Pagadian City, straight sa Pan Philippine